Hi, I'm Prathamesh. I'm currently serving as a technical lead in machine learning here at Infocusp. My domain of expertise is applying ML and DL solutions for CV and NLP kind of problems. When I'm not working, I'm either reading a book, hiking in the mountains, or playing cricket. That's a bit about me.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Desai. I'm machine learning engineer here at Infocusp Innovations.
Hi, I am Janmejay. I work as a back-end engineer at Infocusp Innovations since 1.5 years.
I'm Mohil and I'm working as a machine learning engineer at Infocusp Innovations since the past 4 years.
Hi, my name is Vimal. Sheoran. I'm a machine learning engineer at Infocusp Innovations. My work primarily revolves around the application of natural language processing in the field of law.
Hi, this is Hardik Prajapati. I'm Chief Informatics Officer at Infocusp Innovations.
How was 2024? Well, it was a lot of fun. Infocusp gave me opportunities to dive deep into NLP and LLM technologies that have recently advanced, where I have explored LLMs and retrieval augmented generation, which was pretty cool, I would say. The major breakthrough of 2024 for me was exploring diffusion models and SORA techniques, which was crazy, right? You cannot differentiate between created or generated images or videos versus real videos, which is amazing, right?
Looking back at 2024, it was a great year full of positive changes for me. It helped me push forward in terms of my knowledge and personal development. I learned a lot both inside my role and outside of it. So some of the tech trends that have captivated me this year, one is quantum machine learning. I think quantum machine learning has a lot of potential in terms of solving complex solutions and communication. I think it is mind-blowing. Second is generative AI. It has been very interesting development in terms of AI from text generation to image generation. And third is, I think, space exploration and reusable rocket technology, such as the flight test for Starship of SpaceX. I think it has a lot of scope for our future development.
2024 has been an amazing year for me, where I have explored multiple AWS services as well as microservice architecture and serverless architecture.
2024 for me was a year of growth, learning, and overcoming challenges. Technology, as we see, had shaped every aspect of our life, be it personal, professional, political, or even international perspective. 2024 as a year was the year of generative AI. Its growing influence in every aspect of our lives is commendable. People are using it everywhere as chatbots, as tools, as assistants, and everything that we do in our daily lives. The second thing that was very influential is the increasing usage of automation and workflow tools. For example, Zapier. People and businesses are increasingly using them to automate everything, whether it's order processing, communication, and any other thing that they like to automate. The third thing that is very major is the increasing use of reels and shorts. People are using short form of content to educate people, and businesses are using them to attract customers to their products.
So 2024 was an exciting year for us. We saw at the start of 2024 LLMs being just a spark, and now by the end of 2024 they are probably the brightest star in the deep learning galaxy. We were sort of early adopters of LLMs, me and my team, where we moved away from classical solutions to NLP problems like text classification and name entity recognition and shifted them completely to LLMs. One of the things that we noticed over 2024 was the increase in context window sizes. That allowed us to process larger documents, which really helped with our core task, which involves document analysis. The other thing that we saw was an improvement in overall inference speeds. So initially, the inference speeds of these LLM APIs were not that great, but with the advent of prompt caching and speculative decoding, and the implementation of these within the APIs have really enhanced the LLM user experience.
Very overwhelming. A lot of cool things happening in a year. Hard to follow everything. Yeah, so wearable industry is booming. A lot of people are moving from traditional watches to the smart watches, and other form factors are also getting popular. For example, smart rings or smart earphones, and that is mainly because of the edge compute is becoming more powerful, and the high precision sensor are also becoming cost effective, which made the ML on chip possible with even high accuracy. And a very good example of that is Apple Watch, which is now coming up with a lot of health algorithms such as AFib and sleep apnea.
I'm eager to see what the future of LLM holds. Right? Like in 1.5 years, we've made a lot of progress. Beyond this, I'm also excited to see what tech trends bring in the field of fairness in ML.
So in 2025, I look forward for continued growth in my knowledge and in terms of personal development. Actually, I look towards to some of the challenges that can help me push forward from my comfort zone and learn and evolve.
In 2025, I want to explore serverless architecture. So serverless architecture has become like a paradigm shift in how we build and scale applications. It has a pay-as-you-go model. So basically, you pay only for the things that you consume. That is one of the best parts that I like. Also, since it abstracts the entire infrastructure, it enables the developers to write solely code and not focus on managing the infrastructure as well. So that makes the development process faster and easier.
As for 2025, I'm expecting to see AI used even in more creative ways, driving personalization, automation, and out-of-the-box solutions. And I'm very personally interested in seeing how people are using generative AI for non-conventional uses.
So for 2025, I'm really excited to see the inference costs for large models go down dramatically. What I'm also excited is to see the growth of small model spaces. We will start using the large models as kind of these mother models, and then small models would be trained on by like either distilling the large model or creating data sets from the large model to train smaller models for very specialized tasks. I'm also excited to see, apart from LLMs, the field of reinforcement learning and biomedical signal processing and biomedical machine learning improve.
Mental health is very important. There are a lot of smartwatches which shows the stress as a this functional parameter, but that is not at all accurate. I want people to come up with wearables which measures the mental health and stress overall with high accuracy. Also, some other problems are still present. For example, non-invasive continuous blood pressure or even glucose monitor. So I think this is a time that people come up with such solutions which will make our health better.